I'm gonna take a look at this oil leak, guy. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Or haven't seen one like that. I see that real main seal. Actually, put your finger on it. Oh, I could push it all the way out if I wanted to. It's barely hanging on. What did he say do? And the crank is not actually walking. You know, like thrust bearing, like on a PT Cruiser, they have that failure with the front crank seal. But this is the rear main seal, and that seal is working its way out. It's actually out, Chan, cause I can actually turn it with my finger.
It's completely out.
It's complete. So oil just gonna pour down, but
I ain't never seen one just come out.
yeah, that's the first thing I thought. Maybe the crank walking. This is the big Hemi engine, so I don't know if there's pressure build up pushing it out or what. But look at all this mess. Transfer case. Four-wheel drive. Oh, it would be fully loaded. Oh my god, you can have fun yanking that transmission out. Charge accordingly, though, like I said. But
I'm trying to look up on Audad and see how much labor is on Audad. Audad is not even showing.
oh really?
Yeah.
What'd you look up? Trans removal or rear main seal?
Trans removal.
Shit, you might want to do rear main because it's automatically gonna factor in the trans removal. I don't know. Let me know. It gotta be 8, 9, at least 10 hours. But I feel so with that one. That was crazy. Y'all see what I see? Let's go and check this out, guys. What do we have here? Just a bunch of 1500s. What I see? 1500s and a Wrangler. Nothing spectacular. Well, we running low on 1500s. Construction workers. It's summertime, so the construction workers demand that we stock vehicles that they interested in, I guess. I don't know. Look at this forklift, man. It's a big boy forklift. I don't know what they forklifting. So, which one do we get? All of them or some of them? I don't know. But nothing to run home about on these Bighorn Ram 1500s. Okay, I'm sure they equipped with Hemi e-torque. What are you doing? Where are you doing that from? Y'all see that? Like, I don't even see him. He must be, man. Boy. Okay, he gone. So he's taking the bottom row off first, guy. Bet you got to have some major insurance on this stuff. Look at that, how he just lifted up. So you can't drive like that. I wouldn't assume you can drive like that. So all it takes is one guy to deliver 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cars maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. One guy in an 18-wheeler can deliver 8 vehicles. All right, Rubicon. 1, 2, 3, 4 Rubicons and 4 Dodge Ram. Why would we order? Look at all those. But I think those 2500s down there. So maybe we low on. Oh, those dualies. Oh, the diesel guys got some vehicles to choose from. All right. But yeah, I bet it takes a lot. These guys, I hope they paying these guys what they worth, because hopping in these 18 wheelers, look how low this truck is. And on top of that, I can imagine you get sleepy. You're on the freeway driving. Oh my God, this will drive me nuts. So that's all, guys. Ain't nothing spectacular. That is a beauty right there, that Rubicon. But so he gonna pull the red one off first. I used to like to stand here and watch these guys operate, but it's nothing. And look, looking under the bottom of that 1500 right there, that is that's a 6.4. Yeah, that's a 4-wheel drive, guys. I see a transfer case from here. These Jeeps, most of all the Wranglers are 4-wheel drive. I don't know who would purchase a Wrangler without. Yeah, I don't know who would purchase a Wrangler without 4-wheel drive. But all right, guys, I'm a roll. I don't know what he's doing. I want to see him. I hear an air escaping. All right. Looks like the red one is first. And then they're gonna drive them all out. Ooh, it look like those two was kissing. And on top of that, guys, if anything wrong with them, because we're gonna have somebody come out and inspect them. If anything wrong with them, the driver is responsible. I heard the driver will inspect them going on the truck and leaving the truck. But I wonder if they leave the keys in them. Nothing to it to these guys. Oh, guys, I'm done. Let me go on back in the shop. It's almost quitting time, so we about to shut this thing down. And that's a wrap for me. Look at this nice one here. All you 1500 Ram lovers out there. Guys, I am done. Oh, he putting the wheels on the Cadillac, guys. He's about to wrap up the Cadillac. There you have it. I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Nosy 30, let's get it, man. What is going on with this SRT? Whoa. Okay. Oh. Shocks. Ooh, this is a little painful. This one here, this setup here is a little advanced. Okay, number one, this is the high-powered engine, so it has to. You have to have a different set of brakes set up to make this thing come to a stop, but this don't look like fun at all, guys. Okay. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna pass that one up. I don't look at the wheel on the. That's SRT, man. What is this? I don't want to put. Man, this is a beauty. Look at this. Holy crap. Okay, now are we enhancing? Are we changing? Are we lowering? Are we raising? Are we installing? Yes, guys, this is an installation kit of some sort. And before I speak on it, I want to know what it is I'm speaking about. So I will not speak on it. All right, try to find out what's going on. But looks like he's installing. Who out there familiar with this? Because JT is not. I'm gonna get in his ear tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned.